Hey, it's Megan. I'm going to show you something really awesome. So I'm at our new house, and this is the back. And so a nest blew over in the storm the other day in the front yard, and there was eggs in it, and I saved one of them, or my mom did, and so I put it in this nest that already had eggs in it, which is right here. And the bird took the egg out and threw it on the ground, which is right there. So it's pretty crazy. Anyways, I just thought I would share that. And there's ants all over it. It's pretty nasty. But it's sad though because there's a little baby in there. I'll show you in the nest. But I'm not going to touch it again. There's ants all over this tree. See? Okay. Alrighty. That's all.